Hey, what's poppin', peeps? How we doing? Chilling out? I'm not gonna go on and on for like a mile a minute until I figure out if my microphone's even working, because the last video was way too staticky, but I didn't know when I'd be able to go get a mic, so I just posted it, but I'm not gonna do any more like that. So if it's staticking, I'm not gonna be able to do my video. Unfortunately, I got a box. It's 4 pound box going down. 6 items. So I want to do it. I do. My face looks like such shit. I'm so tired of it. I'm always tired. It's horrible. I need to like. But yeah, so let's try. Just get this shit going. Let's try. Don't mind my luggage in the back. I got a mess, I know. I'm gonna clean it soon. I think we're okay at the moment. It looks like it's blinking the way it should, so let's get this party started. There's a mission. I see something blue. My favorite. I've been doing a lot of the blue, you know that. A lot of the blue. I thought I heard something outside, but I guess not. These are cute. These are like sweatpants shorts. They say pink. The fold over shorts. Super cute. These are size small. $24.95. $25 shorts right here, sweatpants. They're sweaty pants. They look cute though. And they got pockets. I'll let you know how they go. I probably should have extra small, but you never know. Pretty pink. Pretty pink. Pretty blue. Oh yeah, baby, I got the bathing suit going. Don't know for real. This is a solid high waist green. I don't think I wanted a high waist anything, but we'll see now. Oh, it's the skirt. It goes over your bathing suit bottom. It's the skirt. It's the cover-up skirt. It doesn't say because it's on sale, so it's just a small with nothing else. It's got a little thing in the back. It says pink swim. And I got it a small, so I hope that works. I hope it's not too big. But I got the little pink swim green skirt. Not that I want to wear bathing suits, but I'm gonna have to if we're at the beach, right? Is that birds? I can't tell what's going on outside. I don't like it. I'm about to shut my window again. I had it shut for a few weeks, but I wasn't really coming up here that often anyway, but I have to keep it shut again. tops, I guess. I hope it even fits my boobs. Oh, Jesus. What the hell? I may have to order a new one. This is a medium, though. This was $35 originally. I think I got it for cheaper than that. It's also got the little pink on it. Little pink and gold. So this is the triangle top. Like I said, it's got a different material, which is weird, but they do match. I forget how much it was, but I think it was like buy one get one or 2 for $30 or something maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look. Don't quote me, because I'm always wrong. I'd be forgetting. But I did get these baddies. That one, kind of. These are the cloud sandals. The cloud. I'm going to be walking on clouds. And the top kind of matches these. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Got them in the size small, of course. And these were $29.95 originally. I think they were. I don't think I got them on sale at all, so. For water. Oh, it's got pink band down the side too. These could totally be water shoes. Cute, man. Cuties. I hope so. They're kind of big, they look like, but hopefully they'll work. At least for the beach, like I said. Slides were $29.95. Like I said, those are not on sale. The swim skirt was $19.50, so that means they were 2 for $39. 2 for $39, which they're cheaper right now. They're $15 each right now, so I might switch that top or get a different top. So that way I have 2 anyway, and I need bottoms. I'm gonna have nothing under the skirt. So pillow slides. $29.95, the skirt $19.50, the triangle top $19.50, the shorts were $15, the 3-inch, they're 3 inches, fold over sweat shorts, $15. So I got another pair of pillow slides. Look at the pretty box, pretty box. What do we got here? Role models. Bombshell fragrance. Now through May 14th, 40% off any item. My mom taught me just how much strong women are capable of. Just how much strong women are capable of. So now through, you get a 40% off any item for Mother's Day. That's dope. That's dope. Then we got Bear, which I already own a big bottle of. But I think my Bear purse was in my truck and got stolen. I'm so pissed. And Heavenly and Dream Angel. So Heavenly, Dream Angel, Bear, and Bombshell. Bombshell. Just a little sample pack of Mother's Day coupon. I don't want to lose that. I'm going to take that out of there. Mother's Day role models. Gift guide. I don't even see if I have summer reward in there. I'm gonna definitely call it about. I'm not even kidding. And these look humongous. Why do these look so big? Wow. They say small, but they look big. Here's the number on these panties. Beige. They look white to me, so I don't know. But I got them in VIDS. I wanted to get them in the pink tie-dye that they had. And then they had like a browner tie-dye, but I missed the boat on those, and then I had to get solid colors because that's all they had. White. Oh, it's only white. Oh no, the white ones don't even say pink. What? They're different. Say it at all except right there. That's weird. Totally weird. The white ones are plain Janes. They're like clouds, baby, clouds. But I wanted to give my daughter the pink tie-dye. I wanted to go with her pink tie-dye entire outfit, from socks to sweater to shirt to skirt to shorts to sweatpants to tank top to bra. She got every single thing pink tie-dye. So I wanted to get her the pink tie-dye slides. It would have been perfecto, but I missed the boat on that. I might look them up on that. Looks like, see if I can get them. Somebody might have them. Somebody might have them. In a small, maybe not, but they might. A Macari. I'm going to check Macari. So I got the white ones. And the last item in the box is banana. This is a medium. This cost $42 originally. And guess what I paid? $12.99. $12.99. This is like a terry dress. This is like a terry cloth. It's got the little thing on the back also. Everything's got that these days. This is cute. I like this. It's like clouds. Beach terry rouge side dress. So it's a terry cloth one. It's thicker than the others. This one's cool. I was thinking the thicker material is better for my big thick ass. But I might not be able to wear this except for at the beach too. It might be another beach cover up. I might have to pull out my black bathing suit from last year. It smells weird. But it's cute. You like it? You like it? I do. I like the light colored tie-dyes. It's cute. It is in for $12.99. Yes, sir. From $42, that means $30 off. $29 off something. Dope. Diggity dope. I ain't gonna complain about this one. And I didn't get it super small, so it's gonna be so like, I won't be sweating in it. You know, I got a medium, so hopefully it'll be good. And I could even wear with this. That's fly. But yeah, look at this. No summer reward. Can you believe this shit? No summer reward. Ridiculous, you know, fucking ridiculous. And I gotta call her and wait on the phone for a year and a half. $29 and $29 were the most expensive. And those were the slides. Pillow slides. I thought they were cloud slides. They're pillow slides. Crinkle, triangle, bikini, swim, mini skirt, beach terry rouge side dress, and 3-inch fold-over sweat shorts. That is what I got. That is what I got. Read it in weepy. I'll let you know if everything fits or whatever. I see they're comfortable, not just like yeah, this was the pink on the side, see? The other one does not. Must be added this in after or something. Try this on over and see if it fits here. This is gonna be I'm about to be out of this when I go in the water. I won't even have my top on when I come up. Jesus Christ. I can't be rocking this anymore with these boobies. I mean, I got these, but damn. I don't know. Now when I had the baby, they're like not as they were. See, they hang out of every single bra I own. I need to get different bras now. My boobs are different now. They got too heavy or something. $6,000. Nope, $5,000 for nothing. Ooh. No, they're good still, but I need to get a different bra. This is my bra. I'm hanging out of it. Stupid ass shit. But yeah, my triangle top. And my skirt. Better. Oh yeah, the skirt's good. The skirt's good. Oh yeah, the skirt's good. I thought it was going to be real loose. It's not. It's good. Yeah, but like I said, I need undies under it. Or undies. I need to get undies. I need to get the bottoms. And I think they're on sale for $15, so I'll be making a mission. Loving it. Loving it. And then last but not least, because I opened them first, my sweatpants shorts. Beast mode. Super cute. Loving the color. I have to figure out what I have that's blue that I can rock with them. But I'm sure I got a bunch. That's why I got them. But I do want the top. If they had a sweatshirt with this on it, I want it. I need it. I want it. I need it. But I'll let you know how the size small fits. I will. That's how we do. Killing it. But yeah, I jump in the water with nothing, no support. This may not work. I mean, unless I tie it super fucking tight, cut my circulation off, then it might be alright, but I might have picked the wrong top. Story of my life. Itsy bitsy teeny weeny green bikini. So that's what I got so far for my summer. I'm going green. I'm going green, bitches. Money green. They all have a weird odor. But yeah, so there it is. I guess the box was because of the shoes, you know what I'm saying? Pretty box, pretty box. You know how I do. I'm back at the Pink Fashionista. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, you know the rest.